This is an electric power steering motor. It replaces the upper steering column in your classic car and gives you power steering where you didn't have it before. Let's head over to the chassis and have a look at it in action. So this is the electric power steering system fitted onto our demonstrator chassis. The motor here would be mounted within the bulkhead area of the car and completely hidden. It leaves the rest of the steering system as standard, original steering rack, original lower column. Everything that comes out of the dashboard up here looks completely original, which is really nice. We also fit this system with an on-off switch. So with it switched off, the steering's quite weighted, and as it came from the factory, then I flick this little switch here, and it's so light that I can move the steering with a single finger. It's worth noting, if you're having this system fitted, it puts extra load on your wiring, so your wiring needs to be in good condition, and we really recommend fitting it to a car with an alternator, although this will work with a dynamo, obviously, where it puts more demand on your straining things and pushing them to their limits. We've fitted these electric power steering systems to countless cars over the years. We helped develop it for the XKs. We fitted loads to E-types, Mark II saloons, even Fiats, MGs, little Austins, all sorts. So whatever you need it fitted to, don't hesitate to get in touch. They transform the driving, make the cars really usable, and as I say, with the on-off switch, you can choose to have it completely as original or have the assistance, say you're parking in a car park. Please get in touch for more information. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more information about our upgrades or our how-to tips videos, and we'll see you on the next one.